Hey, it's Matt. Welcome back to Weekend Overbuilt. Today we're getting into a new bumper on the Pathfinder. Why, you ask? Because it needs one. Because when I got this truck, it had a bumper, but I wanted to lift it and get bigger tires, so I immediately slashed it in half, leaving the exposed bash bar to fit for the lift and bigger tires. There's one. Alright, the bumper is assembled, ready for installation. Pretty excited to see how it's going to look, so let's get it up.
Oh, there you go. No, it's too much.
Too much?
There you go. Money.
Yeah, alright, yeah. Let's jam it down. How's that, Manny?
That looks good.
That looks good. Alright, Tony, this one. Are you on Titan or loose? Yeah, Titan. All right. Keep going. One more. Okay, now the top. Hang on. Okay, go. All right. Leave it down for now. Let's finish off this side. Top one. Go ahead. Yeah, keep going. All the way. Send it. One more. One more. Keep going. I love it. I like the look. It looks a little bit more aggressive, but not too aggressive. And definitely get me a little bit more cool points out on the trail. Maybe 5-10 extra horsepower too. Plenty of lighting options. You can put a bar here, some little running lights here, pod lights, all kinds of options. There's even enough room back here for a winch if I really wanted to. But
Yeah, maybe we can get a winch or make a different video on that.
weld up a plate, that'd be nice.
I think it looks really good though.
I like it all around. It's not overpowering. It's not too big. It's not too small. It's just what I wanted.
Yeah, it's not obnoxious.
Yeah, not at all. I like it. I love it. I know this wasn't really a tutorial, more of a chaotic install, but regardless, we got plenty of more things coming, plenty more projects in the works, including Manny's getting a leveling kit soon, and we're gonna try and get that on here as soon as possible for everybody. And yeah, if you guys have any questions, concerns, specific things you want to see about any of our trucks, let us know, and hit us up in the comments, whatever your questions you may have. And we do appreciate if you like and subscribe. We are a smaller YouTube channel, and yeah.
Cool. Thank you guys.